Hi friends, welcome to my channel Rasoi-Spice kitchen. I am making for today saffron, cardamoms and cloves fried rice, and it's really nice, tasty, very easy to cook, and you can serve with lentil curries, any different curries like veg or non-veg. And enjoy my rice today. If you like my recipe, and please one like. Let's start to make for fried rice the saffron flavors. Let's check two ingredients and start to cooking. I got here 2 cups of rice and 6-7 cups of water I want to add, and to boil first I got put it in here 4 cardamoms and 5 cloves, and I want to first to boil my rice. Okay, I got half onion and chopped the slice, and I got a ginger and a green chili paste. I'm making fresh one, and if you don't like it you can skip. And I got 2 tablespoons of milk, warm, and I want to add here for saffron. I like really nice with the saffron taste. I want to leave it for one side for a minute, and I want to cook first my onion. This side is my rice is cooked now. I want to use the sieve and take off the water, drain it first. I drain the water, and my rice is nice and ready to cook. Okay, I got oil here, 1 tablespoon, and I got the ghee here, 1 spoon ghee. This is the homemade one. I want to add cumin seed first, 1 tablespoon of the cumin seed. If you like less, if you don't like it you can skip. Cumin seed I want to add here to my onion. Cook first like a gold color. My onion is going to soft. I want to add my garlic and chili. You can cook for medium to low heat, and you like to add salt in here if you like the taste. I want to add here for my milk for the saffron one. Okay, I want to add here a little bit garam masala, just 1 pinch. I want to add more rice. want to mix it here my rice. It's nice color. It's nice color. It's equally is to mixed together. Ready to serve. You can serve with lentil curry or any non-veg dish or mixed vegetables. You can enjoy for my rice. Thank you for watching today. Please like, subscribe and share. Press the bell button for the notification. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye for now.